Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to recover deleted LinkedIn account. Firstly, use the reset password feature if you still have access to your email or phone number. Go to the LinkedIn login page and tap on Forgot Password. Enter your email address or phone number linked to the account and check your inbox for a 6-digit verification code. Enter the code and reset your password. Then log in with your new password. This works for most logged out users. If you suspect someone else changed your login details or your account is hacked, go to LinkedIn's compromised account form. Enter your details and explain what happened, and LinkedIn will help you regain access after confirming your identity. And finally, if you can't access the email or phone number linked to your account, you'll need to verify your identity. Choose Verify with Government ID when prompt and select the ID you want to use, like passport, driver's license, or national ID. Make sure the ID is valid, clear and readable. And also make sure the ID and take photos of it or scan in, showing full name, date of birth, ID type and country and state. Upload your ID through LinkedIn's secure system and follow the steps in the persona verification flow. Submit and wait for LinkedIn to confirm. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.